There's nothing quite like the feeling of travel, the rush of excitement when you arrive at an airport, the joy of exploring new places, trying new foods, meeting new people. It's all so thrilling. But there are also some things that can dampen our travel experience. Things like not knowing where to start, what to pack, how to save money, how to stay safe. Well, today we're going to talk about all of that and more. So let's get started. We'll start with a quick video on what to pack. When it comes to packing, less is definitely more. You don't want to be weighed down by a big, heavy suitcase. So choose your items wisely. Only pack the essentials. And here's a list of what I consider to be the essentials. A passport and visa, if required, of course. An international driver's license, if you plan on renting a car. A credit card and some cash, a phone and a charger, a camera and some batteries or a memory card, a guidebook or a map, a backpack and a suitcase, and don't forget your toiletries. Oh, and most importantly, your sense of adventure. Now let's talk about saving money on flights. One of the best ways to save money on flights is to be flexible with your dates. If you can travel during the off-season or on weekdays, you'll generally find cheaper prices. Another great tip is to use a flight comparison website. They allow you to search for flights from multiple airlines all in one place. You can set your preferences and get the best deals. Staying safe abroad is also important. Before you travel, research your destination and make sure you're aware of any potential safety hazards. Share your itinerary with friends or family and make sure they know how to contact you. Keep your valuables safe and don't flash your money or expensive jewelry. Be aware of your surroundings at all times and trust your gut instincts. If something doesn't feel right, then get out of there. Don't be afraid to say no, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the journey. Now that you're all packed and ready to go, it's time to have some fun. Explore new places, try new foods, meet new people. Make memories that will last a lifetime. And don't forget to disconnect from your work and your worries. You're on vacation. So relax and enjoy yourself. And that's it. Those are my top tips for a great travel experience. Of course, everyone's different and everyone has their own way of doing things. But these are the tips that have helped me to have a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. So I hope they help you too. Safe travels.